How to share a live location on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you how to share a live location on WhatsApp. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open WhatsApp and open the chat with the person or group you want to share your location with. Next, tap the attachment icon next to the message box. Then select Location. From here, tap Share Live Location. WhatsApp will now let you choose how long you want to share your real-time location. You can select 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. You can also add a comment if you want. Once you're ready, tap the Send button. Your live location will now be shared in the chat, and the recipient will be able to see your location as you move. If you want to stop sharing your location before the selected time expires, simply open the message and tap Stop Sharing. So that is how to share a live location on WhatsApp. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.